Let's start the things off right over here in the tint bay. We got this 2026 Camry in here. Terrell's doing his thing. We got a couple guys in tint this week that are learning, so Terrell's showing them the ropes for the windshield. We're doing a full XR Plus 55% windshield on this Camry, stop all that heat from coming in and add a little extra privacy as well. Then coming through the ceramic bay, we got a couple things outside that I'm checking over to make sure it's ready to go back to the customer. We got Cybertruck from last week. We're just waiting for snow to clear up for him to come up and pick that up. We have this Bronco Sport in here, getting prepped. It's getting a xpel fusion ceramic coating. So Damari's in the wash bay just doing his thing before it goes over to ceramic. We got a brand new Honda Passport. Mike's just taping off all the plastics to polish that new paint to make it look a little bit better than brand new, and then he'll seal it with ceramic. Then in PPF bay, we got Max over here showing Caleb a couple things on how to lay stealth and giving him a couple pointers. Outside, we have a Chevy Colorado waiting to go home. Customer had a nasty scratch on the fender and the hood, so we polished that out. And so it's black, so instead of making the fender and hood just look polished, we actually gave them just a one-pass polish to make everything stand out, look a lot better. That's waiting to go home to the customer. And then we have the talk of the week, this brand new 2026 GLI. Customer actually decided to go, it was here for a coating. We decided to go for full wrap and coating. So full wrap's done, all the tint's done. It's waiting to go over to Mike for him to do his thing, and we'll have that back to the customer by Friday. Let's send it on down to Gibsonia and see how my boy Luke's doing. Hope he's staying warm.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is this Porsche Panamera. It's got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap, window tint on the side windows and the back window, and a full 8-year ceramic coating. Up front, we have a completed ceramic coating. This was a very cool project. We got a 95 GTR in midnight purple. This got a full 2-step paint correction on the entire vehicle, and we coated the entire body, wheels, calipers, and glass. Another completed full wrap is right here. It's this Corvette C8. This got a full wrap on the entire vehicle with 10 mil PPF on the full front and the rocker panels. We also did windshield protection film on the front windshield and coated the entire vehicle in our 4-year coating. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this 911. This got PPF on the entire front clip and rocker panels. Now Mark's going to be slapping an 8-year coating on the entire vehicle. Next in for paint protection film is this SC430. This got a full front about a year and a half ago. It did sustain some front bumper damage. The insurance company is gonna pay the customer to replace the PPF, so it's back in for the bumper PPF replacement. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on a second vehicle. This 4Runner is in for tint on the 2 front windows. The guys knocked that out yesterday, and now Mark has his hands on it for a full polish and 4-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we got Cole working on this Jeep. This is getting the 2 front windows and 20% to match the back section, and a 5% visor. In the back, we got the PPF crew working on this BMW X5. This is in for a full 8 mil paint protection film wrap. We also tinted the windows on this yesterday, got our Prime XR 15% tint on the side windows and the back window. And next week, Mark will get his hands on it for a 4-year ceramic coating. Next in line for a full wrap is this X5M Competition from BMW of Swickley. It's getting a full stealth wrap on the entire vehicle and gloss accent pieces and Ultimate Plus.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
On the lift, we have this Model Y that's in for a full front PPF with a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle and full windshield, sunroof, and tint all around in our XR Plus. Currently, the Tesla's getting an 8-year premium coating as well over the front PPF and all over the vehicle, including the plastics, the wheels, and the glass. In the tint bay, we have Alfredo working on this GLA. It's in for 70% windshield in our XR Plus, 30% on the front 2s, and 55% to go with the legal limit in the state of Florida. In the tint bay, we have Alfredo working on this Model Y. It's in for full windshield in our XR Plus. Up next for tint is this Raptor. It's in for full XR Plus all around, 70% windshield, 5% back. This G-Wagon is in for a windshield replacement. Customer moved down to Florida, no longer needs windshield stickers for registration, so wants to remove the windshield, take stickers off, and re-put windshield. Up next for some paint protection film is this Corvette E-Ray in Rapid Blue. It's in for full front bumper and rocker panel kits.
What's up everybody, Sakayla here, and this week we are absolutely going in on PPF projects. Come take a look. Up first we have this brand new 2025 Lexus GX 550 coming in. This couple was actually one of our very first clients here when we opened Sarasota a few months ago. They got XR all on the sides and back of the vehicle with XR Plus on the front windshield. And today they've come back to get paint protection installed on their front bumper. We also have Aaron tackling this 2026 Cadillac Blackwing. Absolutely beautiful car. This client is going for the absolute works. We're going in with paint protection film on the full front clip, along with a paint correction and a ceramic coating, and topping it off with window tint and our XR Plus film. We also have a brand new 2026 Honda CR-V coming in for a front bumper and headlight paint protection package. This will protect the vehicle from rock chips, bug acid, and other environmental elements. Lastly, we're getting started on this beautiful brand new GR Supra. We tinted the vehicle a few months back and the client has returned so they can get a full PPF wrap. We're gonna keep cranking away on these and we'll check back with you guys next week. Bye!